So you want to know how to make clothing on Roblox? Well, it's actually really easy, and I've made tons of Robux off shirts and pants I've created over the years. So in today's video, that's what I'm going to be showing you guys how to do. First things you're going to do is go to whatever search engine you use. I'm going to use Google, and you're just going to type in Roblox shirt template, just like that. And you're going to go to images, and then you should see all of these different templates pop up. The one we're going to pick is this one right here, which is a transparent template. Now what we need to do is we need to open up a photo editing software. So to do this, we're going to go back to Google. We're going to type in PIXLR. It will be the first link you see. You're going to click Start Design Project, and you're going to open up that template image. So once we get here, it might look a little confusing, but I promise you it's not. On the right-hand side, we have the different layers. So basically, this layer will always be on top. Make sure that this layer is always on top. Over here, we have all of our different tools that we can use to edit it. So the first things we're going to do is we're going to create a new layer, make it empty. We're going to drag it below this one, and then pick whatever color you want. So I'm just going to pick, like, I don't know, like a purple. And then we'll bring the softness down, we'll bring the size up, and we will just draw. And as you can see, now the template is filled with the color that we chose. But that's pretty boring. Let's say we wanted like to make this a short sleeve, right? And we wanted the player's arms to show. That's what I'm going to be showing you how to do right now. So we're going to make a new layer, shape. It'll automatically choose a rectangle or a square. You're going to go ahead over here to transform. You're going to make sure that says X, not lock, X, so that now we can move it however we want. And you're going to bring it down here. Let me just drag this below the layer. So you can see now how half of it's purple and half of it's gray. You're gonna go to these three dots on the gray layer, blend mode, erase, and now these are all PNGs. So the player's arms will show up, the purple will show up, and then the player's arms will show up like a short sleeve. You can repeat this process for something like the neck hole. All I did was I inserted a shape, and I went over here to type, and I selected a circle. Again, make sure that thing says X so that you can freely transform it. And then I just did the same thing but for the neck hole. I set it the overlay to erase, and now we have a neck hole. Let's add a little bit more detail to the shirt though. We can add like a smiley face to the front of it, so we'll just look up smiley face cartoon PNG, and we'll go to images, and we'll just find one that we like. We'll do this one. So once you save the image that you want to put on the front of your shirt, you're going to go ahead and go to plus, image. You're going to select the image that you chose. You can drag it down. Oops. For this one, we'll keep the transform on. We'll drag it down. We'll make it like the center of it. There we go. And that is basically our shirt done. So now what we're going to do is we're going to save it so that we can upload it to Roblox. Once you have everything saved, we're going to go to create on Roblox. We're going to go to avatar items. We're going to click shirts, or if you made pants, click pants, but we made a shirt. And then you're going to upload your asset to Roblox. Once you click on upload asset, you'll be taken to this page. This page is where you'll choose the image for your shirt, the name. I just named mine purple shirt. And the description. Keep in mind it does cost 10 Robux to upload the shirt, but that's not too much, and there are ways to get it pretty quickly, so that's not too big of a price. So once you're ready, just go ahead and click that upload button. So yeah, that's it for today's video. That's the basics of making clothing on Roblox. If you guys want a more advanced tutorial down the line, let me know in the comments. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, all that good stuff. And that's it for today's video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one.